Okay, so today we are going to just learn mix and media. So we need to explain the material. So we need Fevicol molded, and we will need Fevicol acrylic colors, especially black is must. Okay, and then we need the metallic colors. Okay, this is a metallic color. You will get a 4 shades: gold, bronze, copper, and silver in this box. I'm going to keep it over here so that you can also view this and work. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need a packet of molded. Take a molded. How many of you are going to work with me today? So let me know how many of you are going to do it along with me. So first, I'm going to teach you how to create this own clock by yourself. Okay, we are going to make a clock. Open a packet of molded. You will have 2 components inside. Let me go from a very basic one so that everyone and anyone can understand from the scratch. Okay, so molded will contain 2 packets inside. One is resin and another one is a hardener. Okay, you have to mix both the components together so that it will be ready to use in consistency. So whenever you work with your molded, the first thing you should have in your hand is the talcum powder. So don't do it directly. Keep some plastic cover or plastic sheet. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take an equal amount of resin and hardener. Knead the clay very well. Okay, so I'm just going to take an equal ratio of resin and hardener now, and I'm just going to mix it. So as I told you, need to have a talcum powder on your base and also for your hand. Okay, so I'm just going to knead my clay now. So until it turns white, you have to knead it very well. So just apply the talcum to it and just knead the clay very well. Okay, I'm just taking a half clay. I'm not taking a whole lot of clay. Since I told you already, the molded will get dried out in 45 to 50 minutes. It will get harder like a stone. So you have to work little fast. Something like this falls on the clock or the work that you're doing. Take a talcum powder, just take it, just make it smooth. Okay, so we are done with the clock now. So let me place the clock over here. Details to the clock. Okay, so I'm just going to cut a straight strip of lines. I'm just giving a impressions. Okay, just to a long thin cord shape. Okay, you can just I'll keep it on the base and do so that it doesn't get disturbed. Okay, I'm just rolling it like a chain. Okay, do it on the base and do it so that it doesn't break. I'm just making it like a chain. Okay, then slightly I'm going to roll it. Do not press it, slightly I'm rolling it. Okay, again I'm just going to making a coil shape. Okay, like a chain. Now let me cut the corners. Okay. So let me teach you to make a button. So how to make a button? Just take the clay, take a little amount of clay, knead it, make it like a ball shape. Okay, press it well. Okay, make it flat like this. Okay, now take a sharp object, like you can take a pen tip or something like that. Press a hole. Okay, so see, we got the button. Okay, so let me show you what are the things that we can use and what should not be used in this work. Okay, so let me quickly explain what are the things that I have. One things. So this is the lace. So if you have any lace or border thing, something like this, you can use it. Okay, it's not mandatory. You have to use the same thing that I'm showing you. The other parts that you will have in the headset. Okay, so these are some screws. Okay, normal screw, that one. These are the keys of different size and shapes. Okay, I have a small color pencil, and this is the small souvenir, the keychain. Okay, you can mostly go for the metal objects. Old days, that normal metal, it has got little rusted. Okay, so I'm just going to use that. This is the Lego toy. This is a normal fabric rose which I made for the, when we had a previous session last month, we made this fabric rose. So if you want to make these type of roses, there are tutorial available in YouTube channel. You can check our channel. Okay. So this is the paint brush. It has broken, so it is of no use now. So I have taken, that is the normal cord, thick cord. So this is a button again. So these are the some embellishment that you will find on your dresses or something like that. These are the normal beads. These are the some of the beads. This is a shell from the beach. These are the stones or pebbles that you will find in your fish tank, all those things. Okay. So this is again the hanker thing, which is not in use now. So I have got something. Yeah, you can use the seeds also. This is the red rajma. Okay, this one is a red rajma, just to create the different effect over here. Black dal. Okay, so you can keep that also, but don't keep too much of edible things. Okay, so let's organize all these things now. Just going to sprinkle little of sand to it. Okay, cover the whole board with the black color. Okay, whole work you have to make it into black. Okay, the whole work completely, everything that you put it in this board has to turn into black now. Okay, so so my black is almost dried. So I've just taken my golden color now. So once your black color dries, only you have to do, if not the color will merge and you will not get the effect. Okay, so don't rush. I have taken the golden color. I'm just dabbing the excess. Okay, you can use your gold dust also. Slightly I'm just painting it. Okay, adding a green shade here. So I'm just using this shade of green. So this is a pearl metallic green shade, okay, here and there. Let me just dab it a little bit, just to give an the old rustic look. We are just using the shades of blue, green, pink. You should not paint it. Do not paint it. I'm not painting it. I'm just dabbing and taking it, okay. Slightly dab it and take it off, okay. Don't paint it. If you paint, that effect will go off when you paint it. Pink and here and there randomly, not everywhere. I'm not applying the pink, okay. Only here and there I'm just applying the pink. You can use that and cover it, okay. I will just show you the close-up version once to be able to see. Once a close-up shot, you all can just observe